Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you lose the Realtek audio drivers after the Windows 11 update, then please watch this video. Now, a lot of people might suggest that just roll back the update. I would say no need for doing that. You can simply download the Realtek audio drivers from its website. So search for it in the Google search bar, Bing search bar, and go to the original download website. Select the download option, accept it, download this file, type the captcha, okay, and click on submit. Now this is a heavy file, it will need a lot of time to download and install. Okay, and once it has installed, then you can simply install the Realtek audio drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.